Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how you can charge your clients or customers in stages using GoHighLevel. So by that, what I mean is instead of the payments being a regular subscription where they pay a specific amount every month or every week or until a certain period of time, it will be charged in stages and the amounts will be different. For example, you have a client whom you're charging $1,000 onboarding fee. After 30 days, you charge them $500. After 30 days, you charge them $500 more. So it's a 60-day period where you charge them $2,000, but the amounts are different. So for that, you can set up a product really quick in GoHighLevel and charge them this way. Basically, the first step would be under your GoHighLevel sub account, you would need to go to payments here and then go to integrations and make sure a valid payment gateway is connected. So I'm using Stripe. You can use PayPal, Authorized, NMI, Square, anything you want. And once the payment gateway is connected, what you need to do is go under products. And we are still under payments. Go to products and create a product. So I will call this coaching program. It will be the name of your product or service you're providing. Now we will come all the way down here where it says prices. So we will say recurring, the amount. Let's say it's USD, then the USD amount will be 500. So this is your subscription amount. And the $1,000 installment or the $1,000 onboarding fee that we talked about in the beginning will be as a setup fee here. So when they are adding their card, and then you can just go to billing period monthly. Number of trial period will be 30. So basically, when they're adding their card, when they're initiating the subscription, they will be charged 1,000 and then it waits because it's on a trial period. It waits until it charges the first 500. So GoHighLevel won't charge 500 until the trial period ends. Number of payments will be 2. So 30 days after the first one goes out, another 500 will be charged. So that makes total 3 different payments. If the setup fee is 1,000, they will be charged right away because it's a setup fee. And then after 30 days, because it's on a trial period, it will charge them 500. 30 days after that, it will charge them another 500. So that adds up to 2,000. That's something you can do to charge them like payments in stages or something like that. And then once you have it, you just save it. So the name of this product is my coaching program. Now you can go ahead and create a quick funnel to add this product so people can come to the funnel and then purchase it. So let's go to test. Let's go to checkout test. I have already created a funnel. This is my checkout page. This is the page where they come and you can add other elements to it like headlines, descriptions, explaining the product. I only have this. So all I need to do here under this checkout page where the checkout form is, the 2-step order form is, let me just open it up for you. Under this page, I need to add the product in. But let me just show you what I did in this page, just so you have a clear understanding. So this is a 2-step order form. So I'll just get rid of everything else so it's less confusing. This is something you can use, 2-step order or 1-step order, whatever you want to use. But I'll use a 2-step order. And I'll just get rid of some of the unnecessary stuff, like hide shipping, hide company name. So once that's done, I will save it. That's the only thing I have in this page. You can have more stuff to it. So under this checkout page, I'll go to products and I will add a product here saying my coaching program and then add the price in. That's it. And then I will go to this page again. I'll just enter my name and then I'll add a phone number as well. Go to step 2. Now it will show me the card information. $1,000 setup fee with 30-day trial and then $500 per month after trial periods. Today we'll charge you 1,000. This is what you're going to be charged today. And then 30 day after, 500 after 30 day, that adds up to $2,000. And then you just need to literally go here under the funnel settings and then make it live. Then you can start accepting payments through this form. So that's how you charge clients or customers in stages using GoHighLevel. Hope this was useful. I will see you in the next one.